Hello, good morning, children. So today is 10th of July, and yesterday, as we have discussed, we have started the question and answer discussion from book B for chapter number 2. Okay, so today, as I have said, we'll be continuing with the next page. Yesterday, we have seen on the page number 1 and 2 question, and today is the third question that is on given on book B, page number 10. What is the question? Write a short note on tsunami. Okay, so I'll give you the reference for this answer that you have to write and answer the you have to write it down from the textbook. So the reference for this answer is given on book A. Okay, page number 21. Okay, the topic is on tsunami. From the tsunami topic, first paragraph, first two paragraphs. Okay, first two paragraphs. Okay, so that is what the reference for the third answer. What is the question? Once again, I would repeat: write the short note on tsunami. So the answer would be on book A, page number 21. The topic is on tsunami, and the answer would be the first two paragraph given. Okay, so that is the reference for the answer for this question. Okay, so I had given the 2.1 section. All the three answers I have given. Now let's get into 2.2. The topic is on violent winds. Okay, what is that? So I hope you might have understood regarding this, the answer and the references. Okay, I'll be providing later. Yeah. So now let's get into page number, book B, question to discussion, page number 12. Page number 12, exercise 2.2, violent winds. Violent winds. Okay, for this, now what is the first question over there given? What is the first question? What causes? Okay, what causes cyclone? Means what are the reasons for, or what are the causes that gives rise to cyclones? That is the first question. Okay, so the answer would be probably what? They are caused by what? Strong winds. Okay, they are caused by strong winds. Okay, they are caused by strong winds. What is the second? On where the strong winds are caused? On the sea shore. Okay, on the seashore. And where do they form? They are formed over warm oceans. Okay, and can wreak havoc. WRECK, wreak havoc, when they approach to. Is it visible for you? I think so. When they, or I'll be writing little more. I think you can see the board. Okay, yes, it is fine. So they are formed over the warm oceans and can wreak havoc when they approach the shore. When they I'll write it down here. When they approach the shore. So what is the answer for that? What was the question? What causes cyclones? How cyclones are being caused? See, first, what is the first point? They are caused by strong winds on seashore. When the strong wind hits the seashore, the cyclones are caused. That is the first point. What is the second point? They are formed over warm oceans. They are formed in the nearby areas of the ocean or in the oceans, on the oceans, okay, and can wreak havoc when they approach the shore. So at the time of explanation, I have really explained that the term, the meaning of wreak havoc. What is the meaning of wreak havoc? I had really told you. What is that? Let's recap that. What is the meaning for wreak havoc? Okay. The meaning is that to cause a great damage. That is the meaning for wreak havoc. So that is kind of, you can say, means the causes of cyclones, means they hit the seashore. And what is the second? They are formed over warm oceans and they can wreak havoc when they approach the shore. Means when they approach the shore, the meaning of wreak havoc is what? The kind of to cause a great damage. So when they approach the shore, they kind of totally damage the oceans. Okay, so in this way the cyclones are being formed. So these are the 2 points that you can get for this question. So these are the answers for this. Okay, I hope you understood regarding this question. That is question number first, means what causes cyclone. Okay, so this over. Now, what is the second question over there in book B? What is the second question? Find the information on 3 cyclones. You have to find the information on 3 cyclones. You have to write in which place these cyclones occurred, and also what all loss that these cyclones have been through these cyclones, what all losses have been caused. That you have to write down. So I have written some of the 3 name of the cyclones, the places where they occurred, and what all damages they have caused. Okay, the first the name of cyclone that occurred was Lehar. Okay, what is the second name? That is Helen. Okay, what is the third name? That is Neelam. Is the name of a cyclone. Okay, so places where they occurred, the places where was the Lehar occurred? Lehar was occurred in Andaman Nicobar Islands. Okay, Andaman Nicobar Islands, as well as in the Andhra Pradesh. In these 2 places this cyclone occurred. Okay, I hope you can see. Lehar occurred in Andaman Nicobar Islands and Andhra Pradesh. Okay, so what is the second name? It's Helen. Helen was occurred in the Bay of Bengal. These cyclones occurred in the place of Bay of Bengal. Okay, and the third is Neelam. This cyclone just occurred in which place? It occurred in Sri Lanka. Okay, that is the first place. This occurred in Sri Lanka as well as Sri Lanka as well as in south of India. South India. So these are the three names of cyclones that occurred, okay, as per the question. First one is Leher, second is Helen, third is Neelam. Leher was first occurred in Andaman Nicobar Islands as well as in Andhra Pradesh at the same time, and the Helen, it occurred in Bay of Bengal, and the third is Neelam, that is Sri Lanka as well as in South India. Okay, so these are the three, and let's discuss about their loss that occurred due to these three cyclones. So, okay, I'll rub it out and write down. Okay, you no need to worry. I'll be providing the answers of this. Just kind of an explanation part. Okay, so this is kind of an explanation part. I'll be providing the answers later. Okay, so the three. What was the first one? That one was Leher. Second one was Helen. Third one was Neelam. Okay. So, what was the loss that caused due to Leher? Okay, let's see first about the Leher. Okay, what is that? No fatalities. Okay, so no fatalities were reported. Okay, due to, and minimal damage due to storm's rapid weakening before landfall. Okay, means no fatals, means the fatal problems were not been reported, and there was minimal damage. There was kind of damage, but not that much. Minimal damage due to what? Storm's rapid weakening before landfall. So landfall was also been created due to this Leher, Leher cyclone. Okay. So what is the second one? Is the Helen. Helen caused what? Helen caused the loss of total 10 deaths were been reported in this incident. Okay, and 3 of the boats carrying 20 fishermen were reported missing. Means those fishermen, those who went for fishing purpose when this cyclone hit, so 20 fishermen were missing. Okay, out of which 2 were reported to be safe. Only 2 fishermen got safe when this cyclone was hit on the coastal area of Bay of Bengal. Okay, and the third one, that is Neelam, when this occurred, the causes that were been happened due to this is 3,000 tons of debris was cleared due to 285 trucks. Okay, and several poor people in coastal regions were dependent only on fishing. They were dependent on the fishing purpose. So I'll be giving you the answers of this later. I hope you understood regarding the flood. Otherwise, you have to find out by yourself. Also, you can write down 3 of the name of cyclones and in which place they occurred and what are loss and damages that were been occurred due to those 3 cyclones. This was a kind of example for this 3 for this question. Okay. Now let's get into the 2.3 of the book B for chapter number 2, which is the last section for the question answer discussion. Okay. So that is given on page number 13. Okay. I think this we'll see on the next lecture. We'll be moving forward for the on the topic of flood and drought, that is 2.3 exercise. So I'll give you the reference also for that. Okay, so let's see on the next lecture. Thank you, students. Have a nice day.